Group Daffodils. How are you all? I hope and pray that all of you are fine and doing great at home. So as you know that today we are going to study with subject English. And here is the reinforcement of sound R. As you know that we have already done it before. We have already learned how to write R and its related pictorial vocabulary. We have also done it. Today is the reinforcement of R. Okay. So let's see what is the formation of R. So my dear cute little students, we have to practice tracing this sound. Okay, so let's see how do we do this. Starting from the bigger spot. Okay, we go down by joining the dots very carefully. हमने ये join किया dot, फिर हमने इसको join किया. Another dot, then another dot and another dot. Okay, तो हम कैसे आए? Bigger spot से नीचे आए. Go down, then come up again. Come up like this by joining the dots very carefully and turn a little. That's great, everyone. You can also practice on slates or rough paper. पेपर ज़ाया ना हो इसलिए स्लेट्स पर अगर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे या आप वाइट बोर्ड पर प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो इट वुड बी more convenient for you. But in this meantime you have to practice the recognition of this letter as well as its sound as well as its pictorial vocabulary. Okay, so this is and the formation of this letter is so easy that what are you going to do? Starting from here, go down, come up and turn a little. Now repeat after me. Put your two fingers like this. Go down, come up and turn a little. Again, go down, come up and turn a little. That's great. You have done a great job. Now we are going to revise कि कौन सी जो words हैं उनका beginning sound है. Okay, okay. Now let's see. Now look at the board. We have some pictures over here and we have already recognized them before. The things which start with the sound rice, rice, rose, rose, rat, rat, rope, rope, rabbit, rabbit. Okay. So after saying the words, you have to look at this picture and what you have to do is your mama will give you some words which may contain this letter. What you have to do is you have to circle the R, okay, in this word. Where is R written? Can you spot? Is this R? No. Is this no? This is and I am circling it like this. क्यों? मुझे कैसे पता चला? How I came to know is क्योंकि मैंने देखा go down, come up and turn a letter यहाँ बना हुआ है. That is why I have circled it. Just like this, what you have to do is here is another picture of a rose. And here is this word written rose. Can you please circle for me? I'm going to circle this. No, this is not this is so I'm going to circle it. You all know how to do it. So your mom will give you some words like this. You have to circle this letter. Okay, now take out your workbook like this, page number 6 to 62. And look at here what are the tasks for today. But before that, don't forget to mention the date in which you have gotten this video. Okay, do mention the date at the top. Do mention that it is a recorded lesson. And let's see what are the tasks for today. We have to match as well as we have to trace So let's see. First of all, let's do the tracing. Tracing is very easy. We will start from this black spot. What are we going to do? We're going to go down. Slowly we are going to trace it. Go down. Go down. Come up and turn a little. So let's see what are we going to do here. We are going to match the with the relevant pictures. Okay, first of all, is this rabbit? Rabbit? Yes, so I'm going to match it. Have you find anything which begin with this sound and la? No. Hammer. No, hammer होता है, hand होता है. Okay, robot. Robot. Yes, so I'm going to match with robot. Now all you have to do is on page number 62 you have to find out things which begin with this letter and let us know that you have gotten this, how to do it or not. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.